Good morning, children. Still, we are continuing Heron's formula problems only. But today's topic, I want to say that it is already deleted from your CBSE syllabus. Understood? That is for particularly for this year, based on present scenario, we have to delete. But these questions, sometimes it will be asked in your Olympiad questions and all. So knowledge is used. Knowledge will be used. So I am explaining today's class quadrilateral questions, right? So the question is, find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD whose sides are 9 meter, 40 meter, 28 meter and 15 meter respectively, and the angle between the first two sides is a right angle. So according to this concept, we have to draw the diagram is not given, we have to draw only. So I have already drawn there. So the sides are 9, 40, 28, 15, all the four sides are given, and along with that, what is the condition is given? First two sides are forming a right angle between them. So we have taken as AB is angle B is equal to 90 degree, right? So this is the rough diagram for the given question. So quadrilateral question is given, but at the same time quadrilateral, by joining the diagonal, you know that it is divided into two triangles, right? So I'm joining AC. So you can see two triangles there, ABC and ACD. So in case if you want to find out the area of the quadrilateral, what we should do? We should find the area of the two triangles, right? Which are the two triangles? ABC and ADC, right? Have you got the idea? So that is why if the portion is deleted also, the application you can do very well. How to that one? We have to join that one of the diagonal, then the quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. In this figure you can see that quadrilateral ABCD is divided into two triangles, which are the triangle ABC and triangle ADC. So I'll write here, because find the area of the quadrilateral only for the questions, right? So what is given in the question I should write first. So what is given? According to the diagram, we can write AB equal to 9 meter, BC equal to 40 meter, CD equal to 28 meter and AD equal to 15 meter. Right? Along with that, one more condition is there. What is that condition? Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so these are the given part for us. Now what is the question is asked? What is area of the quadrilateral ABCD? So we can write that area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ADC. Equation number 1. Now we'll separately calculate what is the area of the triangle ABC and what is the area of the triangle ADC. You can write here join AC also. If it is not written, okay also, because it's not a geometry proof, it is a solving problems only, but whatever we are done, we have to specify, that is best. So quadrilateral ABCD means area of triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ADC. We got the first equation. Now separately we are going for triangle, area of the triangle ABC. Actually area of the triangle ABC, there is no problem. Our normal formula we can use. What is the normal formula? Half base into height. So half into 9 into 40, right? Because base we have taken as a 9 and 40 as the height. It's already perpendicular is marked here. So 40 we can write. So 2 into 20. So here 180. Everything is in meter, so meter square. Now for second part, we have two sides already. What are the two sides? 28 and 15. If we are able to get AC, then we are going to get three sides, and we can use which formula? Heron's formula. So what we should do here means, we should write here in triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, right, AC square equal to 9 square plus 40 square. equal to 81 plus 1600, or we can say 1681. That means AC equal to 41. Right, so we got three sides. Now in triangle ADC, if you consider in triangle ADC, right, we can take A equal to 41, that is our AC, B equal to 28, C is equal to 15. Right, now according to the three sides, if we are having three sides, which formula to be used? Heron's formula to be used. For calculating Heron's formula, what is the first step? Semi-perimeter to be calculated. So I am calculating S here. S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So what is A for us? 41 plus 28 plus 15 divided by 2. 41 plus 28 plus 15 divided by 2. So which is equal to 84 by 2 equal to 42. That is 42 centimeter. Right? We got 42 centimeter as the semi-perimeter. Next we have to find Heron's formula only. So I'll write by Heron's formula. Which triangle we are going to get here? Area of the triangle ADC equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So what is S for us? 42. 42 bracket 42 minus 41, 42 minus 28, 42 minus 15. I'll exchange the root because all the terms should be in the under the root only. So what we have done? 42 into 42 minus 41 into 42 minus 28 into 42 minus 15. It's equal to root of 42 into 1. 42 minus 28. It is 14. Again 42 minus 15. It is 27, right? Okay, 27 only, right? So 42 into 1 into 14 into 27. Now we will split the terms now as a factors only, because 7 into 6 I can write as 42. 1 only, there is no problem. 14 means 7 into 2. Next 9 into 3, right? We got 9 into 3. Now take out the root means, okay, here also I have to change because it is 3 is coming. So here I should write 7 into 6 I will write first. Again one more time I will write 7 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 9 into 3. Now we'll get all the pairs. See, about 7 we got one pair, so 7 I'll take out, right? Now 2, if you check, 2 also pair only. 3 also we can see it is in pair, but 1 9 is there, that root also we should take, that is also equal to 3. So 7 into 2 into 3 into 3. So what is the answer here? It is equal to 3 into 3 9, 9 7s are 63 into 2 126. So what is I'll do means, here I'll make it 2 because area of the triangle ABC I got here. Now I got triangle ADC, that is equation number 3. So using 2 and 3 in 1, that is the next step. Using 2 and 3 in 1. Therefore, area of the quadrilateral equal to area ABC. What is the value we got? 180 plus 126. 6306 meter square. This is the answer. I'll repeat the question. So find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD only. Here what we have to do means join one of the diagonal and make it into divided into two triangles. So this part only they have told to delete it, since it is a practice question only, and you have to learn at any cost. So we are giving an internal assessment we can ask also, that is specified in the CBSE curriculum, but final exam it will not be there. This area of the quadrilateral will not be there. Okay, now we are joined the diagonal, so it is divided into two triangles. Which are the two triangles? ABC as well as ADC. ABC there is no problem because our normal formula half base into height to be used. So we are getting 180 meter square. When we are going for ADC, we don't have the third side, right? For getting the third side, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we are getting AC equal to 41 meter. Now you consider the ADC triangle. If you consider, then what we can see, all the three sides length we got, right? So we have to calculate semi-perimeter area. So you will get to 42. Now Heron's formula, that is area of the triangle ABC to be used. So apply the formula here, substitute and simplify. What is the answer you are getting? 126 meter square. So first triangle ABC we got 180 and 126 we got. We have to substitute these two values in our first equation. So final answer is 306 meter square. Next question. A field in the shape of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter, right? Find the area of the field. So already it is a trapezium. We can say it is a quadrilateral only. Definitely it is not there in the syllabus. But we have to divide it into two parts. So what we should do means, here we have to draw a line such a way that, see, it is parallel to AD. So we are getting here. So AC means I'll write here, D already used, so I'll write here. So what is the construction to be done? We have to draw CE parallel to AD. CE parallel to AD, and now you say me, you can tell me that AECD is a parallelogram only because it's a trapezium. So CD is always parallel to this side according to the question. Right? Now by constructions what we got? AD parallel to CE. So two pair of opposite sides are parallel. So what we can say about AECD? AECD is a parallelogram. So got this now? CE parallel to AD construction. Okay. Now what is the given there? Already it is given that CD parallel to AE. It is given in the question. CD parallel to AE. So what you can show that this shows that AECD is a parallelogram. I am not writing the reason. You must know that two pair of opposite sides are is parallel in a quadrilateral, then it is a parallelogram. So AECD is a parallelogram we got. Now if that is the case, means you can tell me what is the length of CE? CE equal to AD equal to 13. Right? So it is all meter only. Okay, it is a field, so we should write a meter only, 13 meter. Now I have to write in the figure, this is 13, right? Now here it is 10, means what you can say about AE? AE is also equal to 10. So what is the remaining side? It is equal to 15, because the total length of this AB, it is equal to 25. Clear this one? So CE equal to AD equal to 13 meter. Similarly, what we can write? CD equal to AE equal to 10 meter. What is the reason? Opposite sides. Right. Now, therefore, we have to write B. B means AB minus AE. So AB is 25 minus 10, it is equal to 15. Got? This is the step now. Now we have to find out area of the trapezium ABCD. So I'll write the first equation. Area of the trapezium ABCD means area of the parallelogram AECD plus area of the triangle BEC. You can understand from the figure, it is divided into two figures. One is parallelogram, another one is a triangle. Now, according to the formula, what you can write for here? It is base into height, since it is a parallelogram, but no height is given. So, what we should do means, first we will calculate area of the triangle BEC. So, let us see that one. Now, I'll write the heading, area of the triangle BEC. Okay, tell me the sides now. That is AC, C equal to 13. It is 13 only. I'll write once again. So it is 13. So just we will write A equal to 13, B equal to 14, C equal to 15. So which formula? Three sides is given. We have to use Heron's formula. So S to be calculated, 13 plus 14 plus 15 divided by 2. What is the sum here? 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12. Balance 1. So 4, 42 by 2, it is equal to 21 meter. Now we have calculated semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is 21. Now by Heron's formula, area of the triangle BEC equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. It is equal to root of 21, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. Root of 21, 8, 7, 6. So 21 can be written as 7 into 3. 8 can be written as 4 into 2. And 2 into 3 as 6. So 7 one pair, 7 I'll take out. 3 also one more pair you can see. 3 is there. 4, 4 it is 2. 2 also pairs we are having, so 2. So what is the answer? 21 into 4. It is equal to 84 meter. So this is area of the triangle BEC. Now the question comes that we got this area of the triangle. Now we need the area of the parallelogram. But by formula parallelogram, base into height only. So no height is there. So what we should do means we should draw a perpendicular here. Perpendicular to this base 10 we are taking, right? So either you can draw from D to D or C only, opposite vertex. So conveniently we have taken C only. Why I have taken here means it is CF, I'll write. CF is the perpendicular because we already know the area of the triangle here. So what we can write, area of the triangle BEC equal to, we got 84 meters square, sorry here 84 meters square only. So here I'll write 84 meters square. Now what is the formula here? This time we have to use half into base into height. So we can calculate this height, right? So but this triangle, what is the base we have used? Half into 15 into height equal to 84. So 8H means 84 into 2 by 15. I'm not simplifying this, right? So 84 into 2 by 15. This perpendicular is same as, this height of the perpendicular is same as for this parallelogram also, right? Because that is why we are using here. So we have drawn the line from C, or you can draw the line from the perpendicular line from D also, but here we know the area of the triangle, so we are using from C only. So CF we had taken, H means that only, so I'll write here H. So H is equal to, don't confuse, many letters are there in the figure. So H is equal to 84 into 2 by 15. So we have marked already first equation here. So area of BEC I have calculated, equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. Now what is the next step is remaining? We need parallelogram's area. So I'll go for this side. So listen, area of the parallelogram AECD equal to, formula means base into height, right? What is the base here for the parallelogram? Only 10. But H is here 84 into 2 by 15. 84 into 2 by 15. So 5 we can use for cancellation. Here 2 and 3. Again 3 we can use here. 3 2s are 6. 24 is 8. So 28 into 4. 8 4s are 32, balance 3. 8 4 2s are 8 plus 3 112. So 112 meter square. What is the next equation number? 2 3 ho gaya. So it is 4. Got now? So we got area of the parallelogram AECD equal to 112 meter square. Now equation 2 and equation 4 we can use in one. Now we got area of the triangle as well as area of the parallelogram. So we can substitute. So I'll write now using 2 and 4 in 1. Right? So area of the trapezium ABCD equal to, what is the first one? Parallelogram's area. So 112. What is the second one? BEC. What is the answer? 84. So it is 4 plus 2 6, 11 plus 8 9 only, 196 meter square. So this is the area of the trapezium ABCD. So I repeat once again, what is that one? It is a trapezium is given. So finding the area of the trapezium, not like a quadrilateral, join the diagonal and we can finish. What we should do, we have to divide it into two parts. One should be parallelogram, another one should be a triangle. For making parallelogram, we have to draw a parallel line CE to AD. So we got a CE parallel to AD construction. Already it is a trapezium, so one pair is opposite side is parallel only, that is CD parallel to AE. Two pair of opposite sides are parallel. So what is the conclusion? AECD is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. So we can take down AE equal to 10 and also CE equal to 13. Got? Now we are writing the remaining part B. So 25 is the total length. From that 10 is deducted. So the remaining side equal to 15. Now trapezium ABCD we are divided into parallelogram as well as triangle. So we have to calculate the area only. Now you see the diagram. It will be easy for you. If it is 13, this is 13. It is given in the question 14 and here we have calculated 15. So we got all the three sides. If you got all the three sides, then which formula to be used? Heron's formula. By Heron's formula, area of the triangle BEC equal to 84 meter square. Right? The same concept. Even I think the same measurement also we have used once. Now area of the triangle BEC we have already calculated 84 meter square. By using this one we should get the perpendicular height, because parallelogram formula is base into height. Height means perpendicular only. So for getting this H we are using this formula, half base into height. It is equal to 84 into 2 by 15. Right? So we have applied the value and the height we have calculated. Once you got the height, you can find the parallelogram area. So we are getting 112 meter square because B is already 10. H we have calculated. So what is the H there? 84 into 2 by 15. So your answer is 112 meter square. So using this 2 and 4 in the first equation for getting area of the trapezium ABCD. So area of the trapezium ABCD equal to 196 meter square. So my dear children, Heron's formula I am winding up here. Last two questions you have to do in classwork, but not necessary to learn for the final exam. But internal assessment it can be asked also. So learn it, and some applications you are getting Heron's formula only. So it is a practice questions for you also. It is easy for you. So learn it thoroughly and practice more. So today I am winding up the class regarding Heron's formula. Next class we have to learn another chapter, new chapter. Thank you.